to section 2.2, and we're going to take a look at question number 17 first. Question 17 says, in 2006, the total of 2,748 earthquakes occurred in the United States. Of these, 2,748 earthquakes, of these, 85.3% were minor tremors with magnitude of 3.9 or less on the Richter scale. How many minor earthquakes occurred in the United States in 2006? And then it says to round to the nearest whole numbers. Well, if this is the total number and this is the percentage of the total number, if we multiply them, we will get the number of minor earthquakes. So I'm going to do some multiplying here on my calculator, and I get about 2,344 rounded to the nearest whole earthquake, because you can't have part of an earthquake, number of earthquakes. Next one we're going to look at is number 25. For number 25, it says, in 2006, the population of Canada was 31.6 million people. This represents an increase of 5.4% since 2001. Well, in 2001, its population was 100%. If it increases by 5.4%, the total would be 105.4%, because it increases from 100% to 105.4%. So we're going to say the 2001 population is our n, times 105.4% is going to be equal to our 2006 population that they gave us at the beginning of the problem, which is 31.6 million. So our n, which is our 2001 population, times this. If I want to change it to a decimal and then divide both sides, that would give me 1.054, 1.054, and my n, which is the 2001 population, I'll use my calculator here, to the nearest hundredth, like it says in the book, gives me 29.98 million. Let's look at number 26 now. Number 26 says, in 2006, the cost of an average hotel room per night was, in 2006, it cost $96.73, which was an increase of 6.8% over the average cost in 2005. Well, if 2005, the cost of a hotel was 100%, if it increases by 6.8%, it must be 106.8% of the cost from 2005. So if my cost from 2005 times 106.8% is equal to the cost in 2006, which they gave us, equals that. Again, we're looking for the cost in 2005. I'm going to change this percent to a decimal and divide both sides. Let me type that into my calculator. Cost in 2005 must be equal to $90.57. And the last one that we are going to look at is question 68. Question 68 says, during the 2006 Major League Baseball season, the number of home runs hit by Alfonso Soriano of the Washington Nationals, Lance Berkman of the Houston Astros, and Jermaine Dye of those terrible Chicago White Sox were 3 consecutive integers. Well, if they're 3 consecutive integers, first one's x, second one's x plus 1, and then it's x plus 2. the three players, Soriano hit the most home runs, so this is Soriano. And Dye hit the least, so Lance Berkman must have hit the middle amount. The total number of home runs hit by the three players over the course of the season was 135. So if I find the sum of these and set it equal to 135, I should be able to find the number of home runs by each. X plus X plus X gives me 3X. 1 and 2 gives me 3. Subtracting 3 from both sides, I get 3x equals 132. Divide by 3, divide by 3, I get 44 home runs. That would be Jermaine Dye's 44 home runs. Then Lance Berkman must have hit 45 home runs. And Alfonso Soriano must have hit 46 home runs. Good luck on your homework.